Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today, I'm going to present before you a very popular dish which needs no introduction. Occasionally, we all love to have it. I'm talking about biryani. Today, I'm going to prepare this biryani by using mutton. If you're in a hurry to make this dish, then I will show you how you can prepare a flavorful and delicious mutton biryani by cutting down the marination hours. Yes, you heard it right. No marination required. Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to my channel V Ideas. Do consider subscribing if you are new here. Let's begin. Transfer the mutton cubes into a pressure cooker. I have chosen the mutton with bones to add the extra flavor. Pour 2 cups of water. Add biryani masala powder. Also add salt to taste. Now, stir it. Let's pressure cook it for 3 to 5 whistles until the meat gets tender. Do check whether the meat is tender or not. If not, then pressure cook it for some more time. Strain the mutton pieces from its stock. We will be using this stock for cooking our rice to make it flavorful. Let's prepare the rice. Add clarified butter into a deep hot pan. Add all the whole spices and bay leaves so that their flavors get infused into the clarified butter. Add the soaked rice and stir fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame without breaking the grains. Now add the mutton stock. I have added 1 cup of hot water into 2 cups of mutton stock. This quantity will ensure that the rice is only 90% cooked. Carefully add some salt to taste. Cook the rice on low flame till all the water evaporates. After 10 minutes, it should be ready. Remove the rice from the pot. For that, add clarified butter into a pan. I am using the same pressure cooker. Splutter some cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Add ginger and garlic along with the chopped green chilies. Saute till the raw smell vanishes. Add the sliced onions. Saute till they turn translucent. Then add coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, biryani powder, and meat masala. Now stir them well for 2 to 3 minutes. Add tomato puree and mix it. Also add the yogurt and mix it well till it comes to a boil. Add the cooked mutton pieces and mix them till everything gets well combined. Add some water and salt if required to make a gravy of thick consistency and let it simmer for 5 minutes. As the gravy was getting ready, I also deep fried some thinly sliced onions, some raisins, as well as some cashew nuts. Our mutton biryani is almost ready. Now it's time for us to layer it. For that, keep a tawa on low flame and place the deep pot on it. Grease the bottom of the pan with few drops of clarified butter. Layer the bottom with half a portion of the mutton gravy. Remove the bay leaves from the rice. Again, layer the pot with the half portion of biryani rice. Make sure not to press down the rice. Sprinkle the fried onions along with the fried raisins and cashew nuts. Add some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Repeat the layers with the remaining items. Finally, pour 1 teaspoon of clarified butter over the layers. It's time for us to cover and seal the pot with aluminium foil. Ensure that the steam doesn't get the chance to escape. Cook it on low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, carefully release the steam. Mix it carefully and plate it. Serve it hot and enjoy this delicious mutton biryani with some raita and papad.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Do hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Until then, Vidya signing off.